Trying some of the best food that Southfield has to offer this weekend when more than 20 restaurants will be offering samples at Taste of Southfield. Joining me this morning is the chef from one of those restaurants, Maurice Wallace from Lone Star Catering. Thank you so much for joining us, Chef.
Sir.
And the executive director of the Southfield Chamber, Tanya Marcos Vano. Thank you so much for joining us. Chef, you have a real spread here. What are you making for us?
Well, first of all, I have some scallops. We're doing some scallop Provençal, and you can do the way that I'm going to do this. You can do the same. This is called the backstrap.
All right.
Also have some Italian rice.
Trying some of the best food that Southfield has to offer this weekend when more than 20 restaurants will be offering samples at Taste of Southfield. Joining me this morning is the chef from one of those restaurants, Maurice Wallace from Lone Star Catering. Thank you so much for joining us, Chef.
Sir.
And the executive director of the Southfield Chamber, Tanya Marcos Vano. Thank you so much for joining us. Chef, you have a real spread here. What are you making for us?
Well, first of all, I have some scallops. We're doing some scallop Provençal, and you can do the way that I'm going to do this. You can do the same thing with chicken. So we're going to do chicken Provençal.
All right.
Also have some Italian rice and some asparagus.
All right, let's jump right in. You got your bringing things up to temperature. Looks like you're putting a little salt and pepper on your scallops.
Yep.
And you're
So what I have, some salt and pepper, fresh parsley, fresh garlic, fresh red peppers, fresh shallots, and butter.
All right, so we'll let you cook. Looks like you're going to lightly bread them. Chef Maurice is from Lone Star Catering. What are some of the other restaurants that are going to be there at the Taste of Southfield?
Taste of Southfield next Tuesday. We're going to have 20 restaurants. We've got a few good new restaurants that have moved into the community, including Nippon Sushi Bar and Grill. We also have Beyond Juice, which is new to Southfield. Both restaurants are. And then some oldie but goodies, our Beans and Cornbread, Kosi. So it's a good night of entertainment. So you'll have 20 plus restaurants that people will be able to sample, live entertainment.
Yeah, tell us about some of the entertainment options there.
So we have a band called Affair. It's a great band. We've had them the last 3 years. We'll have cooking demonstrations such as this.
Okay.
There'll be raffle prizes, of course, and folks will be able to vote for the best restaurant. So they come, they taste, and the people vote.
Okay, and if someone is interested, where would they get tickets? How do you attend the event?
Sure, so you could get tickets online at southfieldchamber.com, or you can get your tickets at the door. It's at the town center in the atrium, and we'll also be selling our cookbook, which consists of local home cooks in the area.
Oh, okay, so not a book of from chefs, but some things that you may not be able to try because it's in someone's kitchen.
Exactly, and it's only $5. So
how do you guys select the recipes for that book?
They submit them online, and we just kind of handpick them out and stick them in the book.
All right. Well, thank you very much,
Yes,
Chef.
thanks for having me.
How are we doing over here? You know,
We're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. Going to add in our fresh garlic.
Okay.
Peppers.
Okay.
Parsley.
It looks good.
Smells good.
Fantastic, and I can't wait to give it a try. Between that and the chicken, it'll be pretty hard. So you're going to be making two dishes, and you hear Provençal. What is a Provençal in terms of cooking?
It's actually just kind of a name. It's a province from where the dish derived from. So it's an Italian dish.
Okay.
Yep, with Italian rice.
All right.
Yep.
So we only have about 30 seconds left. We have the information there on our screen. It's at the town center in Southfield, Tuesday, October 6th. Chef Maurice, thank you so much for joining us. I mean, that looks fantastic. Look at the chicken. That looks mouth-watering. I will certainly be digging into this. Chef Maurice, thank you so much for joining us. Tanya, thank you for joining us.
It's a pleasure.
Taste of Southfield. You'll definitely want to hit it on October 6th. We'll be right back with a check of news, weather, and traffic.
Thank you.